CapCut Desktop Sign Out, how to sign out and switch accounts safely on CapCut PC. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can sign out of CapCut on PC. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now to sign out of CapCut on your PC, simply launch the CapCut app, and this is the interface you will basically see first. So from the top left, you can see I'm currently signed into my account. So if I want to sign out, what I have to do is just click on this icon right next to your name from here. From the top left, you have two options: create your center or sign out. So if you want to log out of the app, you want to select the option called sign out like this, and we will be successfully logged out of the CapCut app on our PC. So this way we can log out of CapCut on PC. I hope that this video helped you out, and if you have got any further questions, do feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end of the tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.